Everyone, it's Sarah from Edcafe here to share about how you can upload multiple files at once to create your content inside of Edcafe. So that includes both documents and images. This allows you to bring together all of your different references, notes, visuals, and more to have Edcafe analyze and generate the new content for you. So let's go ahead and try it out. You can use this in slide deck, lesson plan, flashcard, summary note, and the quiz feature. So once you select one of those, go ahead and click Files here. And from there, you can select Click to Upload, and you can upload up to 5 different files for this option. This can be a variety of PDFs, images, PowerPoints, Word documents, and text as well. So from there, go ahead and continue filling out the rest of your information, and then you can generate. This update will give you more flexibility and saves you time when you're preparing your materials, especially when your content comes from all of these different resources. So Edcafe will use those resources to create your content. Try it out the next time you create content inside of Edcafe.